Hello my dear friends, thank you for the overwhelming response for yesterday's video and I'm really happy to introduce you to our platform today. So without further delay, are you ready? And I know a lot of people are curious, isn't it? So here you go. Welcome back my friends. So how was it? Interesting, isn't it? Now what I'm going to do for you is I'm going to log into the platform and I'm going to walk you through step by step so that you can get to know what we have actually built for your kid, right? Here you go. And importantly, our app has been accredited by STEM. So our EducoBot app is STEM accredited from USA. So hi guys, welcome back. So this is our online platform which is educobot.com. So you can log into this website using the email ID and the password which you use during the time of registration. You can also use it in our app and you can also use it in your tab as well. But I recommend the kids to start using the system so that it is visible much better and the experience is also much better on a system, right? So they click on login and once they log in, so they'll get access to the dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks. So we have block coding, we have Python programming, robotics, blockchain, AI, and the other editors are there as well. So let's start with introduction to coding. I click on this. So we have a lot of levels here. We have up to 13 levels. So they learn step by step. So let's have a look at the first lesson. So each lesson will have a guidance. Now it will give you the task in the beginning. Once you click on the next, in the language which you choose, you will get the access, right? So you click on next, it will tell you what it needs to be done. So now I know that, so I'm not going to do that. So I'm going to click on the bunny, drag this down. So I want the rabbit to move to the right, take the carrot and come back. So I'm going to choose right. And then the count is going to be 6. How do I know it's 6? Because it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 steps. So these things, they will do it in a trial or error method. First, a kid will choose 2, 3 and stuff like that, right? So this is how they learn. They learn by making mistake. And then click on bunny, bring down the 8 carrot, click the bunny again, and click down, and then 6. So now you might be thinking, so I have seen these blocks somewhere, right? So there are a lot of different companies who have this type of block-based coding platform. But we have not taken any API or anything. These things have been completely designed by us. The reason why it's different is we have not crowded with so many blocks there. We have taken the blocks only what is necessary for that particular lesson, right? So, and then click on the flag and it works. So it moves to the right, eats the carrot and comes back. So this is how they actually learn. They move the blocks and they make the animation to move. So there is a test after each lesson. So they answer it. So they will give you an explanation. If it's incorrect, still it will give you an explanation. So true, click on this and then you get a star. So you get coins. It is based on the performance which you do, the time which you take, and if you use more hint, the coins will reduce. So this is basically to motivate the kids, to think more, because we don't want them to use a hint and do it, because we do it, right? So this is how we have designed it. So there are a lot of lessons here. So just to open let me open this and show it to you. So they will do this step by step. Okay. So now let me show you another interesting one. Now just look at this, the fun with blocks. Now this is next level of a block based game. Now just let me give you an example. click on one. This is similar to the games which we have it in our phone. The graphics and everything is like international. So we have done this, from outsourcing from another country, and they have done this for us. So this is a demo version. That's why the forward is already there. You click on the flag, it moves. So that's how they do the next level. That's how they move to the next level one by one. So if you go and if you want to know the maximum level, now just let me go to the lesson 18. Now look at this. Right, so they will calculate the jump. So they will calculate when they need to put the long jump, when it has to move to right and left. So all these the kids will do it step by step. And just look at the bottom, they will resemble to the coding. So when they move on to the Python or any other, they will not be shocked. They will not be like, oh my god, what is this, something new, right? So this is our coding platform, and we do have Python. Let me quickly walk you through that as well. So you click on. So now what if someone teaches you like literally holding your hand and doing it. Now if we have a handwriting notebook, right? If you see the kids handwriting notebook, the letters will already be there and they start writing over it, isn't it? So similarly, there are lessons where the code is already there, and then they will type it over that, and they get explanation on each syntaxes or each line. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Like it says today we learn how to use print, and then you click on this and then type it over that.
The print
so you get explanation
the specified
again
message on the screen,
and then just type it.
Hello world is the message inserted
Understood?
with double
Click
quotes.
on the flag, and it has an inbuilt compiler. So that's how you actually do these lessons step by step. So not everything will be spoon fed. Now let me show you the next one. Now here they will debug. Now here is an error, but what is the error? So okay, T is missing. Okay, so let me put the T here. So this is how you actually created this model. They learn, they debug, and they learn step by step, right? So how is it? So that's pretty much about the coding at the moment. I know you would want to see how the robotics works like, but I will show you that. And most importantly, we have different lesson languages, with respect to different accent. So we have US, UK, India, Africa, and then we are bringing in our regional languages as well, Marathi, Hindi. Currently we are there in Spain as well, and then we have French. So slowly we are trying to bring in more languages so that it can guide them into learning this coding, right? And also we have an inbuilt AI in this. So whenever you have any doubts or questions, if you get any error, you just type it here, it will give you an answer. So this is integrated with ChatGPT, and you can literally have a conversation with it, right? So this is our hard work, and this is something which have been building it, testing it, and we have implemented in a couple of colleges in India. So currently there are nearly 2,000 students who are using in Africa, and we are there as well in Dubai and as well as in Spain. So this is the first time we are opening up to people in India, that is apart from the schools, and we are ready, and we really want you to experience it. So now here's the important thing. What is the costing? Let me get to that. So before I go for the costing, I want you to have a look at a feedback from a client from Spain.
Hey everyone, I'm thrilled to share a proud moment with you. My 6-year-old son has been exploring coding with EducoBots block-based programming. And the progress he's made is incredible. Watching him confidently piece together blocks to create animations and games is nothing short of amazing. EducoBots' user-friendly interface has truly sparked his interest in coding, and I'm so excited to see where this journey takes him. Thank you, EducoBot, for making learning fun and accessible for young minds like his.
So like this, so far we have around thousands of parents who are actually helping the kids to learn coding. So now coming to the cost, I can charge you a bomb here, but as I told you, when we started this, we had two things in our mind. One, to make it fun for kids. Number two, we wanted to make it affordable for parents as well. So what we have got for you is we have a 6-month junior coder program where there's going to be 3 live classes every month. and they're going to get access to 13 levels, more than 100 hours of learning. Not just that, more than 70 lessons. So all this at just 30,000, no, sorry, just kidding. So all this for a price of just 6,999. That's it, no other cost. So we need your help as well, and we are getting started and really want to deliver the best to the kids as well as be supportive to the parents. So I wish you all the best. I will just walk you through what you actually get, and I have the link below this video. Click on the link and register, and we're going to start the session on May 1st. So this is completely on coding. Let me just walk you through what all you get, right? So once you click on the link, this is the page you will get into. So if it's for individual, it's 6,999. If it's for two of them, then it is like 12,999, right? And this is the program details. So duration is for 6 months, monthly 3 live classes. There are nearly 13 to 14 levels, over 70 lessons, and together it comes around like 100 hours of learning. And these are the concepts which are covered using the block-based coding platform. So you can just go through all this, and once you make the payment, you'll be automatically added into the WhatsApp group, and our team will get in touch with you and we will let you know when the classes are scheduled. So we are starting the classes on May 1st. Thank you for watching. Thank you for all the support you have been provided with so far. So we're going to come with more interesting stuff like robotics, AI, blockchain, a lot of things which are coming on the way for kids. So do support us and we will give you your best. Thank you. See you. Bye-bye.